Hello, my dear friends, viewers, and my lovely subscribers. Welcome back to my amazing channel and your favorite channel, Fashion Addiction. Friends and viewers, how are you all? Hope you will be fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day. My dear friends, we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. And today I'm gonna show you some of the best and the latest designs of off-shoulder bodycon dresses and midi dresses for lovely women. My dear friends, these dresses, designs and looks are very pretty and beautiful as well. And these dresses are only selected for you to maintain an impressive fashion sense of you. My dear friends, as we always try to make our subscriber stays updated about latest fashion, living style and much more. So friends and my lovely fans, I just want to request you, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And if you like my video, then surely notification bell will definitely help you daily to get my fashion updates as soon as I publish them. My dear friends, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of off-shoulder bodycon dresses and midi dresses for lovely women. Friends, these dresses are so comfortable, elegant and easy to wear and brilliantly created, keeping in mind the trends and colors of the seasons by top fashion designers. So friends and my lovely viewers, don't ever feel shy to comment. We will always try to answer all your queries of any type of fashion you need. Friends, this is our today's video. We hope you must like our content and tell us your reviews in the comment section. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. My dear friends, in this video you will see the wide range of dress designs for any occasions. Made your memories more special with one of our dress designs. It will add some more beauty and gorgeous look to your personality. Friends, discover the latest dresses designs on our channel and make your day more beautiful. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and it would be an honor for me to serve you daily if you hit that like button also. Friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you loved it. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Love you all, guys.